Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to unbox my 3-month box subscription. Every 3 months I get a box like this. It's from the Box Fashion. I will link their website in the description below. It's they've got a little logo that says it's like having your own personal stylist but in a box. It is full of accessories like jewelry, and stuff like that. So I'm excited to see what is in my box for my 3 months. It costs about, depends on what level you are. The prices vary, but like I said, I will link the description for their website in my description below. Unfortunately, it's only available in South Africa. But it's interesting to get it every 3 months. They do it according to the season. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Depends on which season you are getting your box in. And that's exciting. So without further ado, let's open this box and see what we have inside. That's just the shipping address. So let's see what we have inside. I have a full level membership, so I get an extra goodie or two. This is just the sheet to say what's in it. So, and then this is just some paper that they put over. So first things first, by the looks of it, yeah, this is sunglasses. Nice sunglasses. Not sure if I will wear them because I really like the shape of it. And then what are these? These looks like little hoop rings, but it's different. It's little golden hoops. Let's see on the little thing. Yeah, it's gold charm hoop set. Gold charm hoop set. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. I'm always excited to receive my box. So I wanted to actually just share it with you guys. So the next box I will get in July or August. That would be my winter box. I can get it open. We can see what's inside. There we go. Yeah, it's little hoops that you can actually, let me bring it a little bit closer. You can attach it to a plain golden necklace, or you can attach it to a little bracelet. But that is what they look like. The one is like a snowflake. The one is a little, looks like a star. This one is just, these two looks the same. It's little balls. So this is this one. That's not interesting. Then this, let's see. Which? Oh, it's a phone grip. This is a phone grip. You stick it at the back of your phone. Oh, these you can put on your sunglasses when it's those little strings for your glasses. Sunglass chain. If I can untangle it, I can show you guys. Yeah, it's those little, you put on your glasses or your sunglasses to hang it around your neck. Next thing in here, it's a necklace. Oh my, it's a nice, beautiful, colorful necklace. It's got like a gold chain, some beadwork. Let's take it out of the packaging and I will show you guys. Yeah, it's like those multi-layer, and it's extendable. So you can wear it either as a choker or a little bit longer. It's nice multicolor bead and necklace. This looks like, yeah, this is a little handbag. It's just a little handbag. Don't know what you're going to put in it. It's very small. Maybe a night clutch or something. Your car keys, your lipstick. Or whatever you want to put in it. But it's got a very thick golden chain on it. And then I've got a VIP cosmetic gift set. They are partnered with Isabella Garcia International. I will link their description or their website also in the description below. That they give you cosmetics. Let's see what's in this one. This is a SPF 50. Looks like a advanced expert serum. And this is a barrier protection, also advanced serum. So this is for sun protection, which is good because I do have a very light skin tone. So I will always need protection for my skin. And then we just have our little booklet that they give you to show you what is inside your box. And yeah, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. And also just want to do a massive shout out to my members. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. To my subscribers, thank you for supporting the channel. Just thank you to each and every one of you. May you all have a blessed Easter as well. It is Easter weekend. May your Easter be blessed. Take care everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.